SelfWealth is an Australian-owned and operated company that allows Aussies access to the Australian and US markets with a low-cost, flat-fee trading. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Join me as we have a quick look into the new kid on the block in terms of low-cost online brokers. If you want to sign up to SelfWealth, use the bonus link below because it'll give you 90 days access to SelfWealth Premium valued at $60, as well as 5 free trades valued at nearly $50, totaling over $100 of value. So if you do sign up, be sure to use the link below to get that value totally free. SelfWealth is a feature-packed brokerage. These are some of the most notably important features. SelfWealth charges $9.50 no matter how big or small a trade is, making it one of the cheapest brokerages for Aussie traders to trade US and Australian stocks. The SelfWealth website and mobile app are well thought out and easy to navigate, allowing the user to locate and use the information needed to make informed trading decisions. Another note on fees that makes SelfWealth a really attractive option to Aussie traders is that there are no other fees. No account fees, no sign-up fees, no inactivity fees. When you send your cash to SelfWealth, where does it actually go? Well, your funds are held in an Australian and New Zealand bank account, or ANZ, in a trust under your name and SelfWealth's name. And what about the shares you buy? You own the shares, and they are put into an account under your name called a HIN, meaning that if anything happens to SelfWealth, the cash in your account is safely in an ANZ trust, and the shares are under your name in a HIN. So you might be thinking, what markets can I trade using SelfWealth? Well, through their brokerage, you have access to over 7,500 securities, including Australian shares on the ASX, US shares, Australian listed property shares in the form of A-REITs, Australian listed investment company shares in the form of LICs, and Australian ETFs. SelfWealth Premium is a subscription service that adds a whole level of depth into the investment analysis and portfolio management. Stay tuned for a video dedicated to the features included in SelfWealth Premium. For those that did want to get the 90 days free premium and 5 free trades, be sure to use the link below. If you like finance content as much as I do, consider subscribing. It helps the channel out immensely and takes very little time. For the transcript and links to everything I've talked about, be sure to check the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.